Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm here from Greene Concepts, ticker symbol INKW, because I'm always gonna call them B Water gang. And well, from the 6 months, right, for our time frame, we are right up here and we are tested. There's two very important support level we're sitting at 0.0013, and we are kind of going back to the high, testing highs of 0.022 to 0.224. So is it an uptrend? It is what's going on. So right now it's not a confirmation yet, folks. I know you guys didn't want to hear that, but I'm here to tell the what's really honest about it, not to speculate or rumor or anything, right? But not yet. It's not a confirmation yet. Our two moving averages are still had a crossover. Once we break out this level 0.24, then it's a clear indication of a reversal of a uptrend, right? Because last time we came close to 0.0 at 27. The pink line is the 200-day moving average, yellow is the 60-day moving average, and the blue is the 20-day. So you'll see when we came and tested the 200-day moving average, right at 0.027, we got rejected, and we came all the way back to 0.0013, right? And now we're coming closer where it's going to be a squeeze. So what I'm looking at it, I'm going to have it drawn and just to see if it plays out. I'm confident we'll see some sort of breakout coming very soon. So I'll be testing to see this level very soon, right? We're going to have this level to see if we have this breakout, right? So because the 200 is moving down, 60 so we're going to close up this gap, right? I want to see if we close up. How far are we going to close up? Are we going to close breakthrough up, or are we going to break through down? Right now what I'm seeing is more on uptrend, right? Talk about the news, right? We know the border is in Amazon, right? Prime flight on the prime shipping, right? It's a $29 case, so it's $1.25 a bottle if you buy the per bottle, right? In the case. So yes, Amazon is still selling it, right, on the Be Water gang. We know about Camping World. They have over 175 locations. This is all the growth, right? This is all the growth that we wanted to see, and it's happening with the company. And the stock is not always supposed to reflect, but it's kind of takes all this good news in and finally breaks through, right? So what are the breakthroughs we're looking at, right? So the key, the next very important resistance level is 0.002, then 0.0029, right? I can have another resistance level, but I don't see it holding it or breaking out too long. But I have to, because it's the moving average, which is sitting right at 0.024, right? So 0.024. It will be a very, very critical one for us to break out, because in time and time we got rejected. Time and time we got rejected. If we go all the way back, even from year to date. Let's go back to year to date, and then I'm going to scroll a little bit lower than that. So on the year to date, we'll see, right, with time to time we came, and this year we've been getting rejected, right? I know it's kind of disappointment, but look at our RSI at 58 on year to date. We still have a lot of room to uptrend. All are still showing the sign of uptrend, pointing towards the MACD looks good. Trying to have this crossover on top of the green bars. That's what we need to have this breakout, right? So, and even you'll see the moving average had a crossover, as I mentioned on my previous video. That watch that very crossover. Once we have a confirmation of crossover, you'll see a movement uptrend, and we started moving uptrend because we were sitting between 0.017 to 0.018, and now we're kind of moving a little bit in the up direction, coming close to 0.0020, right? So what are we looking at, right? Like I said, what are we looking at? The very important levels moving forward is these three important moving average, right? It's right here, 0.002, and the massive one is 0.024. It is a massive breakout that we have to watch out, right? It can get rejected, folks. Time and time we've been rejected, but how long are we going to get rejected, right? Let's talk about volume. Average volume is 23 million. Friday's volume was 10, right? Not a whole lot of volume, because we need volume around 23 to 50 million in order to move, because volume predicts price, right? It always predicts price on that, because the buyers step in and we're gonna go back, right? I mentioned about when we are up here 0.13, is it a loading zone? And I say yes, folks, it is one of the loading zones. This is the kind of becomes the two loading zones, 0.0013 and 0.11. Not a final advisor. This is based all my opinion, all my research that I do. So it's something that I research and I do trades when I load up shares for the long term, right? Like BWater is one of the long term for me. So this is the loading zone I had. I mentioned in the previous video. It can, sure not, like if you're feeling you missed the boat or something like that, it's not. It can potentially come down, but right now it is showing creating some sort of higher highs right now and creating up. So I want to see if it's gonna break down over here, break up, or what's going to happen. But right now all indication is showing an uptrend, going to go testing the highs of 0.002 and 0.0024 and moving forward. I still said it's a $2 stock. Yes, folks, I am not smoking pot or anything like that. I believe this company, it can easily be a $2 stock. We have outstanding shares, we have shorts. We are really, the shorts is very important that we need to keep an eye if it's taking control over the stock. I don't see a problem. It's just a matter of time when we'll see a massive breakout coming. It's all the patience gain right now, right? But right now it's all showing as a creating higher highs, higher lows, and moving upwards. If I'm go back to 3 months, we'll see a better look on that. So in 3 months you'll see some sort of, we kind of on a breakout. So I'm gonna readjust my chart to have a better idea on that. So yeah, even the 3 months, folks, even 3 months, we're coming closer to our moving averages. We'll see a massive breakout coming towards, and it'll be an uptrend in my research, right? Not a final advisor. One more time, this is what I see, that a massive uptrend is bound to occur, and I'm excited about BWater, what have they done, right? Sorry, Greene Concept. BWater is the water, but the Greene Concept company has what they've done, getting more production, more growth, more marketing involved to sell their water to the different companies and different vendors, right? I'll be keen to see if they grab up another vendor in order to distribute their water into the market, right? Well, folks, that's all I have, right? Quick short video. So overall we're looking okay, right? Still going all the way from 0.001 all the way low from 0.198, right? It's still showing right here, folks. It's all showing uptrend right now. I know we went up high, we got rejected on the moving average, and we came down, right? So just going back one more last time, just to remind you guys that what we need to break out to observe it is the two key moving average, 0.002 and 0.004. Okay, folks, that's all I have. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Yes, I still believe this stock is going to be a $2 stock. I'm very confident. I'm pumped up. I'm excited about this stock. Let's see how it plays it out. But thank you very much for watching the video, and have a great, wonderful weekend.